Hi guys, good morning to you. Welcome back. Good morning to you. I hope all is well with you. You're welcome back to my channel. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share this particular video. I want it to go viral. The reason being that some of us are confused and some questions have been asked. Some of the questions have been answered though, but I want to bring it to your notice that yesterday we noticed that Ambazonians they were launching what they called Ambazonia Manifestos launch, and that program it happened that Isaiah Nyogo and his get together people, his committee of friends, they were there in that program of Ambazonia. So I have to scan through, even though when I got the information, we were streaming live. Then after the program, I have to go through it, and I'm here to give you a recap, kind of giving you the outcome of that event. And I want you to make sure you like the video, like I say, share it to many platforms of your choice. And of course, the comment is open for you to also let us know what you think, your own thoughts about the whole thing that you're about to see. The best way to start this issue or this program is to call your attention on what Biafran flag is going through. That's why I put justice for Biafran flag. Why? Because every Okenochucha that comes out always grab this flag and use it to run their own kiosk shop. Everybody wants to open their own business center, and everybody lay hands on this flag to do Imagwandaiwo. When Master was here before his kidnap, he has some people who appear to be who address themselves as hardcore. Even his lawyer was one of those that referred to himself or want people to regard him as hardcore, a dedicated Biafran, but a Biafran with two faces. I'm not here to call him any ugly name, but I just want to call your attention that many people have come and gone. Some who appear to be very close to those God-given leaders of Biafrans, some of them have turned around and begin to, stab these leaders like never, like beyond our imagination. You wouldn't have believed what they have done. I don't think if they ask you, if somebody told you that these people can turn around and begin to do one or two things against those leaders, that you yourself listening to me now would have believed that. I don't think you would believe that. But we can now see that anything is possible. One thing about truth is that no matter how you want to cover it, it will always stand, it will always, it always stand tall. If you want to cover it with lies and everything, the truth always find his way out to show and to prove that he is the truth. All right. Yesterday is one of the events that our people cannot just write off. Why? Because before this event, I have heard some people saying that Ambazonia called for a meeting for a peace talk within Biafrans, and they refused to honor that call. Some of those who that said that or pushing that narratives are no longer with the USB. Some of them have never been with USB, and they always try to fault DPM on that. They said that she refused to honor, that she refused to attend that peace meeting, that ambassadors have called for a peace talk and all that. I don't know how true that is. I don't know how true that is. I don't know if it's true or not. But why I don't take it serious is because peace talk with who? Imagine a man a grown-up man that have his family and have his children, grown-up children. All of a sudden, your son now drag. Imagine you that let's assume you that is listening to me now. that your own children, one of your son or one of your daughter, decide to report you to your homeowner meeting, and the reason why the person reports you is because he want to drag head of the family with you. I don't know if just will you honor such invitation? Let me repeat myself. If your son called you to homeowner meeting or your kindred meeting or your, let's assume, your time union meeting, and the reason why he's dragging you there or he reports you there is because he wants you to come to that meeting and start exchanging word with him or her, with him or her, on the issue of who is supposed to be the head of the family while you are still there. That's exactly how I felt when I heard the issue of peace talk with Nkere and their group and USB government. Who is Nkere to start with? To start dragging this position, when I say who is Nkere, I'm talking about based on Biafran brigade structure. A finance minister trying to drag the power with the COS. That is unheard of. If that is okay to you, it may not appear okay to many people. And I believe that I speak, thousands of Biafrans' mind when I say that. So I don't know the connection and the love. All of a sudden, Ambazonia started having love with Nkere, knowing fully well that Biafrans are not actually with him. And this to tell you that something is fishing under something. Because even in the midst of that meeting, the introduction will not be here. And I cannot open my mouth to tell you that, but I want you to be the one listening to whatever happened there. Before we go to the video, I think it's right time to bring you the write-up of Success. Success Weke. Many of you know him, and many of every sensible, reasonable Biafrans already know his contribution in what is going on. I'm not here to start, reminding you again about his role in what is happening. Before we read this, please take your time, hit the like button, and share this program to many platforms of your choice. Remember, the comment section is up on. I want to know. I'm going to read this comment like never before. I want to know what your own take. What do you think that is going on? I want to hear from you. And for DPM and the USB government, this rumor, everything must not be discussed. I agree, but sometimes it's good to clear on some issues. Whatever that is going on behind the scene or between USB government and the Ambazonians, as long as people are still rumoring that and talking about it, not because of me. I've already made, I gave myself answer to that because I don't see it as important. But if you're a Biafran and you are confused about that, maybe you have heard this kind of rumor flying somehow in a coded way, you can also tell me what you think about the conversation. And remember, if you are bothered about it, DPM always open to attend to your question. In few days from now, Biafrans will have their fundraising, right? And on Friday, ID card capturing will take place, like we always know. That is every Friday. USB government always come out and welcome people that have applied for ID card for capturing and registration and all that. So you have all the time in this world to bring your question to the government. All right. So don't be confused. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Don't be confused about whatever that's flying out there. Always keep your brain intact so you will not be deceived. Success said this: the government of the People's Republic of Biafra. What? The government of the People's Republic of Biafra. Are they changing names? Because I've been hearing this in a coded way. Biafran Republic. Okay, we said the government of the People's Republic of Biafra. Okay, let me say that. Let me just see. Well, I have heard it before. Where each time you ask them also what is USB, they're trying to dodge it. Anyway, represented by the Biafran Republic government in exile, Briggy, is presently participating in a historic conference of the Amba people, that's Ambazonia, at the kind invitation of the Ambazonian leadership. The Biafran delegation is attending the official launching of the Ambazonian Independence Manifesto. The delegation is being led by the Prime Minister of the Biafran Republic government in exile, Mazo Gechukwu Nkere. The player. Okay, that is what he said, right? Okay. Don't be deceived, like I said. Do not be deceived. Let's move to another one. Here, he published this one. Listen though. He said, remember declaration of the restoration of independence of Biafra Republic was made in Finland on 2nd of December 2024, but the Declaration of Independence is yet to be signed. Biafrans work hard. I told you, to work as a sabo in digital age is one of the most difficult things to do. You may not agree with me because you're actually not involved in this sabotage. If you are involved, or if you know how to put yourself in their shoe, you can relate, because sabotage is imagine when you are trying to reinforce what you already know. Do I need to ask Google or Croc about this? No, because I know better than them on this one. Do I need to ask Google what is my name? Just imagine that, like, you ask, can you just ask Google, Google, what is my name? Does it make sense? You are the one to tell Google your name, please. Now, listen. The video you're about to watch now, it happened to be Nkere speech in that in the Ambazonia, whatever they did. Now, hear this.
About so friends of Ambazonia and those that have stood with us throughout these 9 years or 10 years, moving to 10 years. And when you hear about Biafrans, you will know that we are talking about those in exile. And when
just pay close attention to every word that comes out from this woman's voice. I don't know if it's a lady or a woman, I don't know, whatever. It's just a woman. I don't know if it's a young lady or a woman, I don't know. So she actually misfired here. She was all over the place. But pay attention. That whenever you hear about Biafra, you're talking about those in exile. Those in exile. And she referred Nkere as like a woman. Pay attention.
You hear the name Biafra mentioned, you will know the first thing that should come in your mind will be the Helsinki Declaration.
Okay.
We all know that declaration alone shook the world. And it's because of that declaration that we are unfortunately talking about the PM being incarcerated today and the president of Ambazonia Governing Council and the leader of our liberation incarcerated today. But that has been a strategic alliance that has brought panic, not just to Nigeria, but to Cameroon as well. And we are very happy to know that our Biafrans colleagues are here with us on a special day like this, that we are launching the Ambazonia Independent Manifesto. And we know that we have the acting PM right now, who is here with us.
She don't know that the guy have already sneaked out from acting PM. He's now the APM of his committee of friends, and he's there. Listen, pay attention.
And I want to give, and she came with her entourage.
She came with her entourage. She came with her entourage. This is not her. Listen, this is not about her grammatical mistake. Not at all. This is how, when you are dealing with fake, when you are forcing fake on people, you will be all over the place. You will keep on making these kind of mistakes. Now she's with her entourage after requesting her title. I'm using her, requesting her title. because she don't even know. She started by telling that when you hear about Biafran, you are referring to those in exile. Those in exile, because that's what in that discussion about who to follow and who to invite, they want to focus on those in exile, those that fall back. That's what it means. The same Ambazonia were there in Finland when Biafra was declared. They were there. Don't get it twisted. They were there. And those non in exile is when people that you should refer to, you should focus on, according to her. Then, but they don't even know the name and what the guy is doing in the exile. They don't care to know what the guy is doing in exile or what he's doing in his fallback. But as long as it's not things, maybe, paddy, cover me, I cover you, tactics and all that, I'm going to take it a little bit back. Listen.
The acting PM right now?
She's asking, try to verify which of them he is now with the acting PM right now, because they are aware. They are aware that from time to time the guy loves to change title. The acting PM right now, what do you know him originally, since you want to stay in exile? Was he not the finance minister? The acting prime minister right now, you don't know that he will cross that line.
Who is here with us? And I want to give, and she came with her entourage. So I would do.
She came with her entourage. Do you know why this lady is referring her and her? Because the truth is that they know that the right person to be there and to represent the France are her, referring to Dr. Abeza. Are you getting it now? But because something has changed hand, there's a little transaction that will have happened. She's still maintaining the original, organigram. She want to maintain the hierarchy, but because there's a transaction that has happened, like I told you, I don't know what happened. I don't know if there's any misunderstanding. I don't know, to be honest with you. The only thing I have heard, not even now, is that kind of they try to harmonize things and all that and all that and all that. But that's going to be a story from that day, because I don't trust anything. I have to be verified. I have to be sure to verify whatever before I can tell you that, oh, it's like this, it's like that. It's up to USB government to clear on that. If not, there's no problem. Listen.
Love to welcome her on board and her entire.
To welcome her and her entire team.
And also to give her the floor now to
start. And to give her a floor. As they're talking about her, it's all about COSO. But the man that has surfaced is this person you are seeing here. You can see his image, right? Now listen.
Speak to us on this Ambazonia Independent Manifesto, and most especially our relationship. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, sorry. I hand over to the PM Ogechukwu.
Now, the little pause there happened to be they moved their mic. People that maybe I believe that is in charge of the whatever that happened that linked this kind of from she to from her to he, from she to that kind of thing. They called her attention. Move your mic. I want to say something. Is he? His name is Ogechukwu Nkere, and he's now PM. That's why the lady have to jump in, because they were waiting. Azayogo couldn't wait more because always want his voice to be heard on mic. He will mute his own and started talking. The lady did not say, "Oh, sorry." Listen again.
Oh, sorry. I hand over to the.
Let me take it back again so you understand what happened here. Pay attention. Everywhere is quiet now. No. Oh, Azayogo was waiting. He couldn't wait more. Okay, let me on my mic and talk and listen. You see?
Thank you.
He started talking. He unmuted himself before the lady, because the lady muted his mic to receive the correction. Are you following? Listen.
Oh, sorry. I hand over to the PM Ogechukwu. Nkere, yeah. Forgive me if I didn't pronounce that well. okay. That's okay.
It's not about pronouncing it, but go back to the introduction. How you started. She's here. Is she now? Is she now the acting PM? She's here with her entourage. Now all of a sudden you think that the only mistake you made there is her name, pronouncing her name. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Now listen.
Ambazonia. We Biafrans and Ambazonia, we are one family. Thank you very much. And you already made it clear that I'm here with cabinet members of Biafra Republic government in Ezra. So we are in this together. We really appreciate it. Biafra Republic government in Ezra and the de facto government in the homeland stand shoulder to shoulder with the people of Ambazonia through its governing council. We restate our commitment to our collective goals of freedom of Biafra and Ambazonia.
That Biafra Republic government in exile of his own version and the federal government of his own version stands to shoulder with Ambazonia. You need to also inform Ambazonia people that you guys happen to be 50 numbers. They are the one that voted you as their prime minister. So ambassadors, when you talk about Nkere version of a brigade in exile, you are talking about 50 people, 50 people, okay, parading themselves as in charge after 50 million people voted. Where are those numbers? Who are they following? Oh, your guess is good as mine. If you don't know, please do your research. You can do your research. That's what government do. After Ambazonia is a government council and government is so you have right to also do your research. It won't cost you anything. Try your best.
Ambazonia and Biafra is in our blood. Our alliance is unbreakable as far as eliminating the Islamic jihadist terrorists slaughtering our babies, women, children on daily basis. For those that are fighting against the freedom of Ambazonia, people, stop fighting against your freedom. Your enemy are those that have come to slaughter your babies, rape your women, your children, occupy your land, chase you out of your territory, make you slaves in your own land. They are your enemy. It's time to unite together. The people of Biafra and Ambazonia fight a common enemy. Our common goal is freedom of independence from those that took over our land forcefully from us, namely Nigeria and the Cameroon. We congratulate the people of Ambazonia on this very event, and we wish them exploit on the pursuit of our collective freedom of independence. We, the people of Ambazonia and Biafra, we must be free. Don't yield, people of Ambazonia. Continue to fight. Don't be discouraged, because our imprisoned leaders is a part of the prize for freedom. Don't be discouraged, because our leaders are in prison, and you take because of that and say, Dr. Joe is not here. Leaders, Mazi Namdekan is not here. Leader like Mazi Simon is not here.
You see how he called PM Mazi Simon. Leader like Mazi Simon is here. You know, this is, and it's not as if Ambazonia leader, they are not seeing this thing. This is an insult to PM. They should understand this. You guys say that you love PM and all that. How come you don't appreciate the fact that this is an insult to PM? Ambassadors, How come you don't see this? Of all the people that you want to form an alliance with, it's Isaiah York. I don't quite get it. But let's continue.
Please, people of Ambazonia, don't be discouraged. Keep fighting.
And let me say this: I don't know if you have noticed that they don't even want to talk about when the lady when she started talking. She mentioned the convention when Chayaba and PM was there, not the redeclaration of Biafra. They skipped that part. You want to tell me that something has not happened, like there's not, something that's kind of transaction under the table that took place here? Anyway, like I said, my comment section is on. I want to hear from you. And as I Ayogo's committee of friends members, I expect you to also explain this to me on the comment section. But you guys always pick what you say what you want to say anyway. But keep it logical. If you talk nonsense, I'll kick you out.
Remain unbreakable. Together we shall win. And our freedom we must get. Because freedom is not given, but taken.
So this more speech is what this guy is actually reading it out. What he's saying, and he actually reading it out. You can see his eyes is focused on the on the devices where they wrote that for him. Look at him.
We must fight for it. Long live Ambazonia Republic. Long live Biafra Republic. Long live Ambazonia Biafra Alliance. Thank you all for achieving this milestone. Biafra Ambazonia is in our blood, and we must all unite to fight one common enemy. If we don't do that, our enemy will overrun us, and they will kill us all. And for those that are fighting within to destroy the Ambazonian freedom, disease from it, unity, with unity, we can all achieve our goal. Our enemy still remain those occupying.
Here, Isaiah Yogo is preaching unity within Ambazonia while causing chaos in Biafra. What a hypocrite. You heard him? Listen.
Those invaders, those that try to take everything from us, our enemy still remain these evil people that are killing our children, that don't want us to be free, that don't want us to our land to be developed, to be among nations, prospered nations, nations that will compete to fight the insecurity. Ambazonia and Biafra is in our blood. We are one people. Together, we shall prevail against this evil country like Nigeria terrorist state and the Cameroon terrorist state. These two countries are all terrorists. And what we are doing, we free our leaders. We cannot retreat. We cannot surrender. Our freedom is in our hand. For the saboteurs, stop fighting your government. Stop fighting those that are fighting for you. Come together with unity. The sky is our limit. Thank you very much from me and the members of my cabinet and the entire Biafran people. We say once more congratulations. And also we send a big applause and appreciate the EGOV, especially led by the Vice President Julius now. Thank you, you and your team, for doing a good job. Thank you. Thank you for me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Vice President, Mr. MP.
Thank you so much, Mr. Vice President. Thank you, Mr. MP. What is MP? What is MP? All right, please. I want you to tell me what you think about all this, because this one passed me, you know. Let me know what you think about it. Hit the comment section and share this, all right? Comment, of course, like I said, like it, very, very important, and share it. Tell me what you think about all this, all he said here. God bless you and take care of yourself. Good morning to you. Bye bye for now.